They're running out of time. I hope the company can meet our needs.
We're arriving in 10 minutes. Welcome to Oster. My name is Kara. I'll be giving you a quick tour of our company today. We are specializes in the research, development, and production of EVA film, which is a high polymer material mainly applied to glass lamination. And right now, we have 1 doctor, 3 postgraduates, and 20 undergraduates in our office.
We are committed to developing functional EVA films with various applications. We have introduced 5 advanced foreign equipment. The annual productivity of EVA has broke through 5,000 tons so far. Each production procedure is strictly carried out by ISO 901 quality control system. We are dedicated to provide our customers the most distinguished products.